Let's discuss Canva AI in detail. You'll notice options like describe your idea, design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, create a video clip. Let's explore these one at a time. Design for me. Example, type design a retro themed birthday invite for kids. Canva will generate results instantly. You can create more variations by clicking more or add your own elements or colors to generate customized designs. In the social media tab, let's try design a flyer for a real estate launch offer with 50% discount. Canva will generate multiple flyers and you can customize them further as needed. Presentations. Students, corporates, and startups can use this. For example, design a presentation to teach the value of communication. It should cover why to communicate and how to communicate. The style would be minimalist. Canva generates options that you can further edit in the Canva editor. Marketing. For instance, design a marketing flyer to promote a pet grooming business, Pooch and Paw. Canva will generate customizable flyers. You can replace text, change colors, or open them in the editor for advanced customization. Cards and invitations. Example, design a witty and fun bachelorette party invite for guys. Canva will provide several templates with customization options. Logos. Example, design a calm logo for Brand Monk, a company teaching visual identity and marketing solutions from mobile. Canva AI will generate multiple ideas you can edit. Create an image. Here you can pick a style. Example, creative, sketch, watercolor, and set dimensions like landscape or portrait. Example, design a unique Roblox character. Canva generates designs with customization options. Draft a doc. Example, draft an outline for a podcast series review. Canva will generate an editable doc in the Canva editor. You can also specify what type of draft you want. If you want an outline, script, blog, or it can be anything. Code for me. This option lets you describe an idea and Canva generates basic code. Example, grocery list builder. Canva generates a code snippet instantly. This can be useful for coders, app builders, or UI UX professionals. Create a video clip. Here, you can customize style, aspect ratio, duration, framing, and lighting. Example, create an animated CGI motion graphics video for KFC to promote a new product. The style can be cinematic. Aspect ratio, we'll select it as 16:9. Duration, 8 seconds. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to generate, and you can further customize it in Canva editor. Note, this feature doesn't add text to videos very accurately, but is excellent for creating video visuals. Important note, Canva AI is not 100% accurate. Since it's AI driven, results may sometimes vary or need tweaking.